In the veins of every thriving business runs the lifeblood of supply chain operations. These operations are the invisible gears that keep the global commerce machine humming, managing the seamless flow of goods, services, information, and finances from their point of origin to their point of consumption. It's a complex dance of coordination and strategy, where every move impacts the next. Mastering supply chain management is key to delivering superior value to customers, reducing costs, and enhancing efficiency. Steer your supply chain operations with the right tools, the logistics and warehouse dashboards. Let's start with the logistics dashboard. It's your command center for fleet status, delivery status, average loading time, average loading weight, and delivery by segments. With the help of this dashboard, you can monitor fleet efficiency, track deliveries, and optimize load times and weights. It's like having a bird's-eye view of your entire logistics operation. Now, let's talk about the warehouse dashboard. This tool focuses on warehouse operating cost, on-time shipment, warehouse operating cost distribution, and perfect order rate. These key result indicators are crucial for managing your warehouse operations effectively. It's like having a magnifying glass to scrutinize every aspect of your warehouse performance. Both dashboards provide comprehensive, real-time data, enabling you to make informed decisions and streamline your operations. These dashboards are your compass and map, guiding you to manage your operations effectively. Welcome to the future of supply chain operations, simulation for strategic planning. Simulation is a powerful tool that allows us to anticipate the outcome of different strategic moves. Think of it as a chess game, where each move is calculated and the potential outcomes are analyzed before making a decision. By investing in initiatives like Industry 4.0, you're embracing cutting-edge technologies that can revolutionize your operations. Process improvement is all about streamlining your operations, eliminating inefficiencies, and increasing productivity. Operational analytics help you understand your data better, driving informed decision-making. And sustainability initiatives? They're not just about going green. They're about building a resilient, future-proof supply chain. But remember, these initiatives come with a price tag. It's crucial to allocate appropriate funding to ensure their successful implementation. So, start simulating, start strategizing. Use this powerful tool to plan, predict, and perfect your supply chain operations. Harness the power of simulation to navigate the future of your supply chain operations today. Knowledge is power, but applying that knowledge is the true game changer. Now it's time to put what you've learned into action. Start by focusing on your day-to-day supply chain operations. Get to grips with your key results indicators. These are your compass, guiding your performance tracking. And don't forget about improvement. Always be on the lookout for ways to enhance efficiency and reduce costs. Forge ahead, armed with your newfound knowledge and insights, and transform your supply chain operations.